Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Part 4. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Choppy, adjective.
متغير متلاطم بربط
Of a sea, lake, or river, having many small waves. Example, sea conditions are often very choppy. Synonyms, rough, full of waves, turbulent, heavy, heaving, storm-tossed, stormy, tempestuous. Antonyms, calm, smooth. 2. Embolden, verb.
हौसला अफजाई करना उभारना
Give someone the courage or confidence to do something. Example, emboldened by the claret, he pressed his knee against hers. Synonyms, give courage, make brave/braver, encourage, hearten, strengthen, fortify, stiffen the resolve of. Antonyms, dishearten, discourage. 3. Contentious, adjective.
मुतनाज़ा झगड़ालू
Causing or likely to cause an argument, controversial. Example, a contentious issue. Synonyms, controversial, disputable, debatable, disputed, contended, open to question/debate. Antonyms, uncontroversial. 4. Rejuvenate, verb.
दोबारा पैदा होना दोबारा जवान करना
Restore a youthful appearance to. Example, exfoliation rejuvenates the skin. Synonyms, revive, revitalize, renew, regenerate, restore, breathe new life into, make someone feel young again. Antonyms, damage, destroy, kill, ruin. 5. Punitive, adjective.
तज़ीरी सज़ा से मुतालिक अज़ाब
Inflicting or intended as punishment. Example, he called for punitive measures against the Eastern Bloc. Synonyms, penal, disciplinary, corrective, correctional, retributive, in retaliation, in reprisal, penitentiary. Antonyms, real, genuine, improbable, obscure. 6. Aversion, noun.
नफरत इख्तिलाफ मुंह मोड़ने का अमल
A strong dislike or disinclination. Example, they made plain their aversion to the use of force. Synonyms, dislike of, distaste for, disinclination, abhorrence, hatred, hate, loathing, detestation. Antonyms, liking, inclination, desire. 7. Steer, verb.
मुस्बत इशारा राह देखना चलाना
Guide or control the movement of a vehicle, vessel, or aircraft, for example by turning a wheel or operating a rudder. Example, he steered the boat slowly towards the busy quay. Synonyms, guide, direct, maneuver, navigate, pilot, drive, be in the driver's seat of. Antonyms, de-restrict, powerlessness, unrestraint, indiscipline. 8. Dreadful, adjective.
भयानक खौफनाक डराना
Causing or involving great suffering, fear, or unhappiness, extremely bad or serious. Example, there's been a dreadful accident. Synonyms, terrible, frightful, horrible, grim, awful, dire, frightening, terrifying, horrifying. Antonyms, mild. 9. Vigour, noun.
कुव्वत जोर तवानाई ताकत
Physical strength and good health. Example, I was 79, but still full of vigor and vitality. Synonyms, robustness, healthiness, good health, hardiness, strength, stamina, sturdiness. Antonyms, weakness, listlessness, lethargy. 10. Evaporate, verb.
बुखारात बनकर खारिज होना
Turn from liquid into vapor. Example, cook until most of the liquid has evaporated. Synonyms, vaporize, become vapor, volatilize, dry up. Antonyms, condense. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.